Well, fair fucks and happy new year to everyone. I embarked on this year with hope in my eyes and some glitter, but it was all trampled upon. I was told Rohit won't play, so I was very hopeful, bro. And then my baby, Mr. Bumrah, got injured. Well, whatever this series has shown us, it left my plate full and left me feeling empty at the same time. We had a lot going on, some controversies, some edges, some nicks, some shit tips, and some empty pockets, some sandpaper, controversies, take my family, please don't take my family, and some Travis Head. And well, if this series made four things obvious, that four things are certain in life, death, Jasprit Bumrah, and Virat Kohli nicking the off-stump ball. Take us away, bro.
Bro, what a series, bro. India versus Australia, border Gavaskar trophy.
Bangladesh team.
Oh, no. This is not Vikrant Thakur. This is Karthik Arora reporting from a new venue. Support karo. Sponsors ka bhai. Hi, sponsor. हाँ जी. Bro, India versus Australia, fifth test. What a test, bro. Let's talk about the fifth test first because we did not cover it. Bro, end दिन तक hope थी. Just because बुमराह था. और end दिन में हम इसलिए नहीं जीते just because बुमराह नहीं था. Crazy series भाई. पर you know after every this kind of a series, every the India England के बाद भी पर obviously border Gavaskar trophy उससे ऊपर. हमेशा उसके बाद ना you are left with this feeling, that emptiness, like what to look forward to. And then you see 5 T20s coming your way and you're like, I hope I can go back in time and watch this series again. Because I'll take a 3-1 over 5 T20s any day.
Yeah, bro, 5 T20s and you're still like, what to look forward to?
Exactly.
The unemployed guy in me is like, अब ऐसी तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट का भी नहीं फायदा जो जिसमें 5 T20 देखने पड़े. But yeah, fifth test was well shit. Kohli's last in Australia, and well, let's just say he played something. Average की चोट दी और ऊपर से हमारा प्यारा बुमराह इंजर्ड हो गया. But it was like, bro, last day was full depiction कि this team was nothing without Bumrah to begin with. If we had Bumrah, it was a different game. But
For sure.
This series, maybe whatever happened, we lost everything. But this series is Bumrah's series.
Oh yeah.
This series edged him into the ethos of great.
Yeah, bro. Now we can, like, before this series, we wanted to say that he is the greatest bowler of all time. He is the greatest Indian bowler of all time. Now we can say that exact same thing, and we have stats to back it up. Bro, the amount of wickets he took, कितने wickets? 32 wickets at an average of 13.
Most by an Indian. I think second most by a foreigner after Curtly Ambrose is 33. And he was 6 wickets away to be most in Australia in a season.
Away
भी नहीं by anyone.
मिचेल जॉनसन की एशेज 2013-14 में कितनी थी?
मेरे I don't know the average or thing, but
37 wickets ली थी उसने.
हाँ वही तो 6 wickets away. He was like शायद वो निकाल भी लेता bro. The last bro, this is so sad that the day that would have suited him the most he didn't bowl.
Exactly bro, the pitch that would have suited him the most. इस pitch पे बुमराह उनको खत्म कर देता भाई, खा जाता उनको. वो डरे पड़े होते हैं. ख्वाजा स्कोर क्यों मार गया? इसलिए मार गया पूरी सीरीज में बुमराह ने उसको बांध के रखा हुआ था.
अरे bro, yeah, his interview came out after the series. He was talking to them and he was like कि उसने I got Bumrah. Yeah, fuck man, like उसका aura भाई, उसका नाम, what he did this year, bro, what he did this year, I'm like, I haven't seen anything like it in my lifetime.
For sure bro, for sure. Crazy भाई, crazy carry job. Let's talk about Rohit bhai.
Vidya Balan series, Vidya Balan series, this one.
यार रोहित कब देखो कुछ बताएंगे नहीं क्योंकि तू तो 2 बच्चों का बाप है. तेरे को सब कुछ
हम कौन बहुत है बताने वाले हैं. हम तो 2 बच्चे हैं.
हम तो वही हैं जो एक्सेल शीट पे हम सुनील गावस्कर एग्जैक्ट सेम शीट.
हाँ बस 10,000 रन का फर्क है. थोड़ा सा फर्क
है ना, पर तू 2 बच्चों का बाप है,
कोई नहीं भाई,
तुझे पता है तू सही कर रहा है, तुझे पता है कि तेरे को ऑप्ट आउट होना था, तेरी बीवी को पता है कि विद्या बालन से ट्वीट डलवाने थे। तेरे को मैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी सुनाऊं?
बिल्कुल।
तो ये जो ऋतिका की कंपनी है पीआर की, इसका नाम क्या है? सी से नाम है, रुक,
चौधू कंपनी।
तो ये जो ऋतिका की कंपनी है इसका नाम है कॉर्नरस्टोन। ये इसने शुरू करी थी, शी स्टार्टेड दिस कंपनी इन 2008 and recently like 4-5 years ago, I think 2018, I don't know when, she merged it with Dharma, with Karan Johar, and now she manages PR for Ananya Pandey and Varun Dhawan and a lot of the Bollywood stars, and for Rohit Sharma as well, and one more, you know, Vidya Balan। तभी तो आया वो ट्वीट, जो बंदी फॉलो नहीं करती, फरहान अख्तर, जो बंदा फॉलो नहीं करता, ट्वीट आ रहा। पर ब्रो व्हाट अ ट्वीट। थैंक यू विद्या बालन, थैंक यू ऋतिका सचदे, यू गेव अस दिस मोमेंट ऑन क्रिकेट ट्विटर टू हैव एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, टू हैव रॉबर्ट ओपनहाइमर एंड तुषार कपूर ट्वीट अबाउट रोहित शर्मा सेल्फलेस कैरेक्टर।
ओहित समा,
भीष्म पितामह ने भी ट्वीट किया,
रावण ने भी ट्वीट किया ब्रो।
रावण के पास तो ओवरसीज सेंचुरी भी है। ओवरसीज में जीत के आया था, सेंचुरी नहीं।
बट भाई सुनील गावस्कर और हमारे में जैसे 10,000 का रन का गैप है, बस 10,000 बनाने बहुत मुश्किल होते हैं, कुछ लोग रह जाते हैं 1 रन से भी।
I think that is just poetic justice.
भाई bro, they were there for him. Ricky Ponting was there, Mark Waugh was there, Alan Border was there, bro. They were ready. They were gonna come. They were so close to finishing, bro. But they got edged.
They were just about to finish, and Smith's mom came into the room.
Threesome opportunity. But
wait,
that sounds wrong.
Exactly.
But Smith's mom came.
But bro, क्या भाई, मतलब we were only I think 15 good deliveries for taking 10 wickets, and उनमें से कुछ जो डिलीवरीज हमने अच्छी डाली, जो मेरे को लगता है हमने सेकंड इनिंग में इतनी अच्छी बॉलिंग करी, ठीक करी, इतनी कोई खास नहीं करी। अगर वही उनमें से एक थी जो स्मिथ आउट हुआ जिस पे, ब्रो व्हाट अ डिलीवरी फ्रॉम
ग्रेट बॉल, प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा।
एंड उसके बाद भाई लाइक वी वर सो क्लोज, लाइक जब स्मिथ आउट हुआ we had our hopes up, we were like now India has its tail up, कोहली भी पूरा कर रहा, उसके बाद बस वही ख्वाजा और हेड।
या ब्रो नहीं, ख्वाजा तो बुमराह नहीं था तो he did what he did bro. Like ख्वाजा said he didn't think he was batting wrong, so and then Scott Boland obviously 10 विकेटें। मैं तो सीरीज के पहले ही बोला था भाई, I'm like I know Hazelwood is better and everything, but I just feel like right now in Australia Scott Boland is better than what you will get with Hazelwood. Personally, I feel that, but like yeah, you can pelt stones at me for that, but I just feel like Scott Boland right now is better than Hazelwood because 2 things: Hazelwood kinda lost his fitness and everything. So yeah, I was kinda unhappy कि he got injured. Like कोहली को उन दोनों नहीं आउट करना था, but like उनको वो मेट्रोनोम है भाई, वो उधर ही बॉल कराते रहते हैं, वो एज देता रहता है, which is like normal.
नहीं, कोहली को तो वेबस्टर भी आके आउट कर देता, उसका तो फर्स्ट मैच था, उसको तो मौका नहीं मिला सही से करने का, वरना उसने कर देना था लास्ट टेस्ट में, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। डेब्यूटेंट को बहन का लोड़ा है, कोहली पे चोद, एकदम से फ्रस्ट्रेशन आ गई मेरे दिमाग में। ब्रो आई लव दैट गाय सो मच, बहन चोद पर इतना ज्यादा दिमाग खराब करके रखा हो ना उस बंदे ने, ब्रो इतनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन ब्रो, क्या भाई, हाउ कैन यू गेट आउट 9 times exactly the same way in a series where you got out 9 times? How can you do that in a series when you played 10 innings, you remained not out once, and you got dismissed 9 times at the same way? That is not professional. The guy needs to have a look in the mirror. I know he can do it. I know he can do it for next 4 years. देखो I am sure वो 2027 का वर्ल्ड कप भी खेल लेगा, 2027 का हो सकता है WTC भी खेल जाए अगर वो अपनी पे आ जाए तो, पर आ ही नहीं रहा, कितनी देर वेट करें और
पता नहीं ब्रो, there is no control, nothing.
भाई मेरा दिल कहता है ड्रॉप हो जाए, वो ड्रॉप हो जाए, ईगो हर्ट होए, सबकी माँ चोद के वापस आ जाए, वो 24 साल की उम्र में जैसा था ना वो वैसे की ईगो उसकी हो जाए।
एक बार प्लेयर का हो जाता है टाइम तो हो जाता है,
I know, but
ठीक है,
yeah, that's
I
what
think
I
he
want.
can still get some runs, he's still that guy.
I hope.
But-
I want to believe so.
No, I believe that he's still that guy, but yeah, didn't do himself any favors, especially in the last match, bro. बाकी सब तो ठीक तो नहीं था, but last match तो he didn't do himself any favors, भाई. Like ठीक है, if it's not working की तरह है वो ऑफसाइड गेम का, वो है डाउट, वो ठीक है वो, बट इट लाइक कि कभी डिफरेंट ट्राई नहीं किया कुछ.
Exactly.
लाइक भाई वो ऋषभ पंत भी तो आगे बढ़ के मारे ना शॉट, बाकियों ने भी ट्राई किया ना, बट मेरे को सिर्फ यही दिक्कत थी, उसने भी डिफरेंट ही नहीं ट्राई किया. भाई ठीक है, तू वैसे ही आउट हो रहा है, तेरे को पता है उन्होंने वही डालना है, तेरे को भी पता है, उनको भी पता है. उसने ब्रो 90-200 रन्स, और उसके बाद भी वो बंदा तेरे को बोल के आउट करा. बात वो है.
सही में.
मेरे को नहीं फर्क कि वो क्या फुद्दू तरीके में आउट हो रहा, जो भी कर रहा है, बट बात जो वो बंदा है ना, उसके बाद उसको ऐसे करके आउट कर रहे हैं, ब्रो कम ऑन, दैट इज नॉट हैपनिंग. बट चल इससे आते हैं फिर फैब 4 पे ओवरऑल, बिकॉज मेरे को बात करनी थी उनके बारे में. लाइक I would start with like Steve Smith, because obviously he had a very good series, scored some 200 something runs. Not a very good series, but good series because they were shit tips, to be honest. But वही यार, ये चारों बहुत ही सिमिलर है, बट बहुत ही डिफरेंट है.
बहुत डिफरेंट है.
But like they are all four of them are the greatest test players of this generation. उसके बाद बाकी सब उनके बाद आते हैं. But ऐसे है सब, जो चारों जब सेट होते हैं ना, तो they are all four very different people. Now I'll explain. Like Smith, like when he's set, once he's set, you just feel like you are defeated, bro. Like he is some unbeatable force, some unstoppable force. He is one of a kind. Like I don't have any comparisons with Steve Smith. I don't know what comparisons to make, but he is undefeatable. Virat Kohli, when he is set, he's a treat to the eyes, bro. But he is the best batsman out of all of them, just by pure batsmanship skills. But see, that's the thing about perfection. कि और पता क्या होता है, जब वो प्लेयर सेट है ना, तो वो दिखता है कि उनका ट्रू नेचर बाहर आ रहा है. स्टीव स्मिथ का ट्रू नेचर इज फिजिटी. ही इज अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ गाय. हाँ, वो ये सब करता है वो, बट वो ही इज हिज ओन. He has mastered his craft so much कि he is undefeatable. When he is set, he is undefeatable. There is no one like him. कोहली, जो हर्षा भोगले ने एक बार बात कही थी,
Lost in his own perfection.
Yeah, lost in his own perfection, but that is what has got him to where he is. Because sometimes being lost in your own perfection, when he is lost, because जब भी कोहली खेल रहा ना, तो bowlers will always think they have a chance. Because that is, क्योंकि अंदर से he is arrogant.
And
he is lost in his own perfection.
That guy is a guy who will trust his gut over every
exactly bro. Because that is a guy that is so good that he does get lost in his own perfection. And then when it comes to Kane Williamson, वो अंदर से ही calm है. Like once he is set, he is an embodiment of calmness. He's like, you depend on.
He won't play for
yeah,
shots.
bro. He's a dad hug. When he is set, he is a dad hug. Like that is the best I can compare Kane Williamson. And Joe Root is classical music, bro. But classical now that
with a little bit of fusion.
Yeah,
that is baseball. Reverse scoops निकलता है.
Joe Root is classical music. He's metronome. Like once he's set, he just keeps the clock ticking, bro. He just keeps it ticking and ticking and ticking till everyone else is tired out and they're fucked out of the ground. Yeah, that is, I would say, the perfect analogy of the Fab Four.
I wish there was a Fab Four for bowlers as well.
There is no Fab Four for bowlers, bro.
There is no other Fab Four. Fab Four आया इस जनरेशन में और सिर्फ बैटर्स के लिए आया. But still, जैसे ना इस टाइम के टॉप 3 बॉलर्स कौन से हुए तेरे हिसाब से?
रबाडा, कमिंस एंड बुमराह.
Yeah, bro. And ये तीनों, bro. And I want कि इन तीनों का भी ना एक ऐसा बोला जाए कि इन तीनों का भी बोला जा रहा है कि जैसे बुमराह, bro, he is just on another level. He is the greatest bowler that we have ever seen in our lifetime for sure. I am like and in everyone's lifetime हो जाएगा वो. और Cummins with the ball, तो he is just a treat to the eye and the dog he has in him. Like कहीं से भी आके विकेट निकाल देगा and the batting that he can do. जैसी contribution वो बैट से दे सकता है ना ब्रो, वो बंदा, जब तुम्हें पता है ना कि तुम्हारी टीम जीतने वाली है और तुम देखते हो सामने पैट कमिंस आ रहा है बैटिंग करने, तो तुम्हारी फटती है.
बिल्कुल भाई.
चाहे वो नंबर 7 का बैट्समैन आ रहा है, चाहे वो नंबर 7 पे खेलता है, जो मर्जी हो जाए, वो उसके अंदर जो गूदा है ना कि वो टायर आउट कर देगा, ऑपोजिशन को हरा के चला जाएगा, वो और किसी तगड़े बॉलर में नहीं देखा ऐसा. याकुब कालिस को क्योंकि देखा नहीं.
He's a bowler that can
bat you out.
that can fuck you, bro.
Yeah, that can fuck you.
Yeah, he's a तूने बोला treat to the eyes. He is a treat to the eyes, bro.
he's
Like
so
look at those eyes, bro.
Yeah.
Look at that height. Look at that. I'm sorry, I just got lost in the cum ball.
And Rabada being Rabada, bro, like the way that guy swings the ball and everything, bro.
By Rabada needs more recognition, but he'll never get it because
he
South
plays for
Africa
South Africa.
खेलती नहीं है, bro. That's why I need them to fuck them in the World Test Championship final, bro. I need South Africa to win, bro. This is the only format that they can win, bro.
Yeah.
इसमें सिर्फ clutchness की बात नहीं है.
Exactly.
This is the only format that they can win. बाकी सब में they choke a lot. I know this is शूती आपके उन पे hope लगा रहा हूँ मैं. This is like
Australia versus South Africa.
Yeah, bro. This is like me hoping Alaves wins La Liga this year. Not gonna happen, bro. I know, but ये Tottenham से भी ऊपर है ये लोग.
No. This is like Nottingham Forest. बैठी है टेबल में सेकंड पे.
Yeah, close. Yeah, I don't want to say anything about my club.
टेबल में सेकंड पे और यहाँ से बाय चांस जितना चांस बाय चांस नॉटिंघम फॉरेस्ट का पीएल जीतने का ना उतना ही है साउथ अफ्रीका का.
Yeah, but South Africa, bro, like their ballers can.
They can
do it. Their batsmen are good. Like I need Bavuma to hold that trophy, bro. Everywhere, bro.
और Rickleton तो क्या?
Bavuma has been playing very well.
8 consecutive wins.
Yeah.
Crazy भाई as captain. अभी तो बना है captain वो.
They are now number 2.
Yeah. India is number 3 now.
Yeah. Deserved.
Yeah, obviously.
But 3-0.
When you make a guy captain who does not respect his teammates, the way he undermined, I lost respect for Rohit after that interview. The way he undermined Rishabh Pant, saying कि अरे ऐसे ही थोड़ी कैप्टनसी मिल जाती है, टेस्ट कैप्टनसी अर्न करनी पड़ती है. विराट ने अर्न करी, धोनी ने अर्न करी, मैंने अर्न करी.
बुमराह ने भी बोला, बुमराह
का उसने उस टाइम पे नहीं बोला.
नहीं, उसने उसी इंटरव्यू में बोला.
हाँ, पर ऋषभ पंत वो कह रहा है मैंने अर्न करी, अपने आप को कह रहा है ऋषभ पंत के बेटर स्टैट्स हैं टेस्ट में.
ब्रो ऋषभ पंत
हैज बेटर इंपैक्ट ऑन इंडियन टेस्ट क्रिकेट देन रोहित शर्मा हैज एवर हैड. वाइट बॉल में रोहित शर्मा इज अ वेरी बिग लेजेंड, आई गेट इट, बट इट्स अ कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट. बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट तुम्हारे को स्ट्रेटजीज लेके आना पड़ता है, बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट तरीके से खेलना पड़ता है. तुम 20 ओवर के मैच और 50 ओवर के मैच को 5 दिन के मैच से कंपेयर कर ही नहीं सकते हो.
After 75 innings, most runs as wicket keepers, number 1 Adam Gilchrist, number 2 Rishabh Pant.
Exactly, and you can never say कि ऋषभ पंत को अभी बहुत कुछ करना है जिसके कारण वो डिजर्व करेगा. Bro,
ऋषभ पंत ने लास्ट इनिंग दिखा दिया ऋषभ पंत को.
Exactly.
ये सीरीज वो चला नहीं है, इसलिए ये सब बातें हो रही है. और ऋषभ पंत जैसा कोई प्लेयर नहीं है दुनिया में. I am not the biggest Rishabh Pant fan, like
but
as you know,
bro,
but test match,
the things that he can do, the things that he has done, bro. Rohit could never play the kind of innings that he played in the BGT last BGT, and the kind of innings he played in the Sydney Test match.
Yeah, like
intent की बात करता है. 33 बॉलों में 60 मार के दिखा, 9 बॉलों में 21 मारने वाले.
By when your backs are against the wall, and if there is a fat guy I want to depend on, it will always be Rishabh Pant.
Exactly.
and not Rohit.
With the mark on the bicep. देखा भाई उसकी एक्सीडेंट का मार्क.
भाई बहुत तगड़ा भाई. अलग लेवल भाई.
सही में bro. And the way he came back from everything. What's your main takeaway from this series, bro?
Yashasvi Jaiswal.
है ना?
My guy, bro. I said it before the series, भाई. He was gonna be our top scorer. I said it before the series. मेरी prediction से 8 रन पीछे रह गया वो, या 7 रन.
400 मारे.
हाँ, फिर 9 रन. 400 थे, मैंने बोला 400 plus. I just needed him to get 400 plus, and he could have easily gotten 400 plus. Fucking
he could have gotten 2 more centuries.
That
bro.
run out, bro. That fucking run out, bro. That fucked the whole match. That fucked the whole series. You know that series didn't get decided there. Series get decided when the plane landed. Series got decided series got decided there, bro. We started off well. We had all the hope. We had all the momentum. Then, bro, we can't go into every game with 10 players, bro.
Yeah, obviously.
And then when Kohli decides to be whoever the fuck he is, then we can't go in games with 9 players, bro. And then Gill hasn't performed anywhere. Then we are going in with essentially 8 players, bro, because those guys don't ball.
And we did like this. I think this is not on Gautam Gambhir that much जितना ये रोहित और राहुल द्रविड़ पे भी है. Because they did not prepare a batsman ही नहीं है भाई हमारे पास इनको replace करने के लिए. रोहित और कोहली को मैं खुद नहीं चाहता कोहली replace हो, but अगर ऐसा खेलेगा तो मैं कहूँगा ब्रो उसको ड्रॉप करके किसी और को चांस दो. अभी मनु ईश्वरन चूती है, सरफराज खान चूती है, 150 मार के ड्रॉप हुआ बैठा है. पानी पिलाने थोड़ी लाया उनको बीजेपी
पॉइंट नहीं है ब्रो. देयर इज नो पॉइंट.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में तो उनको फर्स्ट टेस्ट में नहीं देते. इंडिया एक खिलाया था ना उनको, सरफराज को वो भी नहीं खिलाया. क्यों नहीं खिलाया? तुम्हें पता है कोहली फॉर्म में नहीं है. अगर थर्ड टेस्ट तक कोहली फोर्थ टेस्ट में नहीं आ रहा फॉर्म में तो खिला लो भाई सरफराज को, ट्राई करके देख लो. तुम रोहित को ड्रॉप तो बहुत इजीली कर सकते थे. थर्ड टेस्ट के बाद ही रोहित को ड्रॉप हो जाना चाहिए था खुद से. एक तो ये ऑप्टेड आउट वाला बकचोदी ना करे आगे से मेरे सामने. मैं मार नहीं सकता उसको, मारूंगा भी नहीं, वैसे बड़ा है. बट आई वांट टू, आई होप यू गेट इट. हाँ बट भाई मतलब मारूंगा तो वापस बाउंस होके आ जाएगा.
पेट पे मारने को किसने बोला भाई?
उसका कहीं भी मारो बाउंस हो जाएगा.
डैम
तुलतुला है भाई.
बाउंस में रन नहीं बज रहे पर
है ना. बॉल उससे बैट से नहीं टच हो रही.
बट नहीं भाई
कोहली एटलीस्ट टच तो कर रहा है.
थोड़ी
कैचिंग प्रैक्टिस करा रहे हैं यार. ही थिंक्स अबाउट दोस.
बट नहीं भाई. वी एंड देन आवर नाइटमेयर Mr. Travis Head, Paisa, bro. He had to, bro. And like, after a while, I was like, fair enough.
Yeah, he had to be the one who was there when scoring, like they won the match. He had to.
Yeah, bro. I was like, fair enough, bro. That's our biggest hater. For some reason. हमने कुछ ऐसे किया भी नहीं भाई.
अरे रोहित का लवर है ना.
fair. तो हम सारी टीम की कोई मारता.
क्योंकि रोहित भी तो मारता है, तो मिलके मारेंगे ना वो.
Point taken.
See, I got logic, bro. Throw those arguments.
But nahi bhai, Travis had exceptional throughout the series. Player ratings, I think I would rate him as their second best player. Because after जो showing Pat Cummins ने last के तीन मैच करी, I would say he was their best player. Second Head, third Boland, fourth Stark and fifth Smith.
Yeah, I would just keep Boland over
Head?
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't do that.
I know he just played 3 test matches, but still, I'd keep him.
They won all 3.
Yeah.
They won all 3 that he played.
Exactly, and the way he bowled, bro. The way he, like, the kind of aura that he brings with him. The kind of, pata nahi bro, I think he brings a scare or like a tension to our batting group that is already very stressed. हाँ. उन लोगों को और टेंशन होती है कि ये इतना लंबा लौंडा आ गया, ये पता नहीं कैसी बाउंसरें मारेगा, कैसे एक ही जगह पे बॉल डालता रहेगा. इतना डिसिप्लिन्ड बॉलिंग, इतनी ज्यादा डिसिप्लिन्ड बॉलिंग.
But नहीं, he brings a sort of a cult. He has a cult, bro. A cult everywhere he goes. I mean, like जो भी हो, bro. Their fan culture is so much superior. Their treatment is so much superior. Their media is also shit. Every media is shit, I would say. But their media treats their players is so much better than whatever we do, bro.
Yeah, bro, for sure.
There, bro, उनके stadium में इतना अच्छा treatment है भाई. हमारा BCCI can have 10 times their wealth, but they will still never give a single flying fuck about the spectator. Because, bro, they don't have to.
Yeah.
It's like our people never do shit until they have to, and they don't have to because एक बंदा टिकट लेने से मना करेगा. Population इतनी हजार पीछे उसके, कम से कम.
इसलिए ब्रो जब when Kohli said that we need 5 test centers, that was very apt. We really needed it. उससे होता क्या है ब्रो, एक क्राउड बनता है, एक सिलेक्टेड ग्रुप ऑफ क्राउड बनता है, एक सिलेक्टेड ग्रुप ऑफ फैन फॉलोइंग बनती है. फिर वो एक ही चीजें, ऑपोजिशन को भी पता है कि यहाँ आके क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना है. जैसे इंडिया को पता है जब वो वहां जाते हैं, इंग्लैंड जाते हैं, लॉर्ड्स में उनको पता है बहुत ही पॉश क्राउड एक्सपेक्ट करना है. जब तो वो लोग वहां ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड जाते हैं, हेडिंगली जाते हैं, उनको पता है उनकी माँ चोद देंगे. एजबेस्टन में उनको पता है कि कैसे उनके ऊपर स्लेजिंग होनी है.
अरे वो भी यार इसके साथ ये भी रहता है ब्रो, consistent pitches,
yes.
Consistency of pitches, bro. Like players also know what to expect from the wickets, bro. That was a downfall in this last series, bro. जब हम 3-0 आ रहे हो नहीं था, bro. It was long coming, bro. It was kind of overdue because our bowlers kept saving our asses.
Yeah, every time with the bat.
With the bat. That's what I'm saying, with the bat, not with the ball. With the ball, it's India, bro. Our spinners are gonna do what they're gonna do. That. Yeah, our bowlers are gonna do what they were gonna do. But they performed with the bat, so it was long overdue, bro. They had a bad series, once they were gonna have a bad series, some other captain was gonna figure out what to do, and we were gonna get fucked, and that's what happened, bro. उनके 2 बैट्समैन चलने की बात थी, and वो उनके 2 बैट्समैन चले गए, and it was 3-0. कहाँ से हुआ समझ भी नहीं आया.
बिल्कुल.
और वही हर मैच 2 दिन में खत्म, 3 दिन में खत्म. Like it's just not fun to watch, man.
My biggest takeaway from this series, I was thinking of Yashasvi Jaiswal, but you said it, so mine is gonna be Nitish Reddy, bro. What a player,
Crazy,
bro.
bhai.
The way he contributed in the first 3 test matches. We knew like something is coming. He wants to go out there and like put his stamp on that he has arrived. He wanted to do that. He wanted to show that to everyone. And the 4th test match, second inning century, bro. Amazing. MCG में boxing day में भाई ने century मारी है. Crazy, bro.
What
Stuff
a player,
of dreams.
bhai. What
Stuff
a
of
player.
dreams.
What a player.
And the way he was celebrating it with his dad, the way his dad was celebrating, just
tears in my eyes, bro.
Yeah.
But now, man,
he got out on a duck in this match.
yeah, it's okay, bro.
Yeah, bro.
It's not his fault.
Obviously.
Either, nahi, it wasn't
that is
him
not
to
a
blame,
guy.
bro.
So, bro, I only think 3 players performed for us. Yeah, Siraj tried. Siraj को मैं full marks दूंगा try के लिए. But I would also rate him like 5 or 6 out of 10, bro. But only I would say only 3 guys mainly performed for us. Bumrah obviously the best performer of like 10 out of 10, 50 out of 10. Yashasvi Jaiswal I would say 9 out of 10, and Nitish Kumar Reddy 7 out of 10. These 3 were
Nahi,
top
to some
performers.
extent, KL Rahul also performed for us.
Oh yeah, KL Rahul.
But और उसके अलावा तो यार but there was no consistency in the squad,
Exactly.
भाई.
KL Rahul का भी consistency नहीं था.
सिर्फ it's not just about KL, पर वो squad में ही consistency नहीं थी भाई, क्योंकि our squad also kept changing, our players kept changing batting positions.
मोटा आ गया ना.
यार उसके आने के बाद we were like, how is our philosophy so weak? How are our intention so weak कि चलो our captain came, like it is fine, bro, like he is our captain, so he was coming, he was gonna play, and then he like वो openers हमारे एक मैच चल गए. Like I was in full support कि हमारे वही दोनों openers रहने चाहिए 100%. They did.
Know what Rohit would
Yeah, they deserved it. But like if it is so obvious to everyone कि he an opener, a specialist opener, because KL Rahul hasn't been a specialist opener for 2 years, bro. 2-3 years. A specialist opener in all of our formats cannot be trusted in Australia. Then why is he even in the 11? Because middle order maybe you cannot trust him. But I get that you gave him the second game. Then I even got that you will give him the third game, which is fine. But then after that, giving him the 4th game and then making him open and disrupting all of the balance was
that was shit. That
was
Shubman Gill drop हो गया. उसके बाद SCG में सबसे बड़ी गलती, bro. They are playing Washington Sundar and Ravindra Jadeja. Bro, दोनों ने मिलके पता कितने ओवर डाले हैं. Jadeja bowled 3 overs in the first innings. Sundar bowled 1 over in the second innings. Bro, total 4 overs from our 4th and 5th bowler. And we did not have Bumrah.
Yeah, shit.
That is so shit. We could have easily played. Harshit Rana खिला लेते इस pitch पे.
भाई यार कोई भी होता है.
मुकेश कुमार खिला
यार
लेते
कोई
इस pitch पे.
मुकेश कुमार didn't see a ball all
bro.
series, bro.
हाँ.
Like नहीं, but he has been. I would say I really like Mukesh Kumar. He has been let down by the management, not by whatever he has done.
रणजी, ये गंभीर ने भी आगे इंटरव्यू में बोला तो है कि रणजी ट्रॉफी खेलनी बहुत जरूरी है. डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट हमारे प्लेयर्स हम चाहते हैं कि खेलें, बट they are not getting the rewards. उनको दिख ही नहीं रहा है वो क्यों खेले.
But नहीं, I think for even the coach, it is time to go from this format. Like it's not कि I mean like yeah, give people time and shit like that. एक तो मेरे को पसंद नहीं है वो. Very clear about it since day one. But even that, like you can't get whitewashed at home then lose the BGT 3-1 और जो एक मैच draw है वो भी हम हार रहे थे. I want him gone because bro there is no consistency in squad selections. There is no reward for performance. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि एक और home season दो. Like क्या point है?
I would still wanna see him in a series without Rohit.
क्या? Nah, I don't know. Because I think Rohit का तो time हो गया.
Rohit should not come back in test. I know he said that he's not going anywhere. Rohit should not come back. Rohit भाई please बड़ा पाव खाओ आप, हमें बख्शो. आप करो चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी खेलनी है आपको खेलो. वो तो मैं वहाँ पे भी यही चाहता हूँ कि गिल और जायसवाल ओपन करें हमारे लिए. जायसवाल इतना तगड़ा प्लेयर है, उसका बेस्ट फॉर्मेट होगा ODI, and he is not gonna play there just because you are going to make 40s and 50s and that guy would make 150s. So I would want to take him over you. But yeah, if you want to play, you are gonna play, obviously.
No, he deserves the rope.
I get it.
Bro, he hasn't done
Ball.
shit in ODI. He hasn't done anything wrong in.
I get that.
I would like if you have to take out the opener. The other opener hasn't done anything wrong either. And he's our youngster, so we're not taking him out. So बीजे जायसवाल की जब तक भाई जब भी उसकी जगह आनी है, उसने वो खा जानी है और उसने वो बैठ जाना.
उसने छोड़नी.
वो अगले 10 साल एक स्पॉट पक्का. That is his. I am a firm believer in Yashasvi Jaiswal since day one I saw him. वो उसके अलावा मेरे को जितना भरोसा उस पे उतना किसी पे नहीं है. I know he's gonna do it in every format. I don't want him to play too many games in all formats. सब खराब होता है bro. Whatever, whoever he is, कोई भी बंदा हो, सबका खराब होता है भाई. डेल स्टेन चुद गया था तो ये कौन है भाई?
हाँ वो कोई चक्कर नहीं है bro.
इसीलिए सबको.
कोहली 5 साल से खराब है. What was your biggest disappointment in the series despite Rohit and Kohli?
Apart from Rohit and Kohli, तो फिर
clubbing the names together. Didn't know I would do that.
Apart from Rohit and Kohli,
Shubman Gill bro.
Shubman Gill से मैंने expect ही नहीं किया.
I had a lot of expectations from that.
I like मुझे लगा था रन मारेगा, but honestly मेरी ज़्यादा expectation थी नहीं उससे कुछ.
No, I had a lot of expectations, bro. The last time he came here, he was so good, and I knew that bro. I'm telling you, before coming here in India, A वाला match भी he was good. He was looking good. New Zealand में भी end के matches में, New Zealand वाले में, he got into the rhythm. He scored good runs over there. उसके बाद वो जो first test से पहले उसको injury हुई ना, I think that broke his rhythm. When he came back, you saw in the second and third test, 13-14 रन ही मार रहा था, 20-30 रन ही मार रहा था. But जो उसके पहले बैट से रन आ रहे थे, कितने फ्लो में आ रहे थे. They were looking too good. He was just getting out. So I always thought पूरी series में that a big score is around the corner, and then I think when he got dropped, that hit his confidence obviously.
हाँ फ्लो भी खराब होता है. Like I don't know if
गिल से पहले तो कोहली और रोहित दोनों में से कोई एक ड्रॉप होना चाहिए था. But
नहीं भाई, गिल से पहले कोहली नहीं ड्रॉप होना चाहिए. उसने वैसे भी एक सेंचुरी मार दी थी भाई. गिल
I want now उसकी ego hurt हो जाए.
हाँ but yeah, Gill deserves to be dropped and Gill deserves to be dropped. आगे भी वो ड्रॉप हो, I wouldn't be surprised and he should be dropped. He has been absolutely terrible पिछले 2 साल से. ऐसे कुछ नहीं किया
ओवरसीज.
हाँ तो ओवरसीज, पर हमें प्लेयर तो ओवरसीज ही चाहिए ना.
I get you, but 45 की एवरेज के ऊपर से रन उसने घर पे भी मारे, बाकियों ने वो भी नहीं मारे.
हाँ नहीं मैं घर पे कभी ड्रॉप नहीं करूँगा.
बाकी कोहली की तो फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में 7 की एवरेज है. 7 की एवरेज है फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में ओवरऑल, घर पे भी बाहर भी मिला के. So you can't say that कोहली कोई रोप मिलना.
नहीं
bro, that is just our biasness.
नहीं ये बट नहीं वो नहीं कह रहा मैं. ये पर्टिकुलर सीरीज में कह रहा था. उसके बाद तो if he is dropped I won't be surprised. But ये पर्टिकुलर सीरीज में like Kohli should not have been dropped before him and Kohli should have played all the games that he played. Which क्योंकि उसने वो जो भी हो पहले 100 मारा.
He does not have a technical flaw.
Yeah.
I don't think the guy has a technical flaw. That guy has a temperament issue. On the other hand, Rohit is washed. He had a good test career. He was never a proper test match player. He had a good test peak. अच्छी बात है. His fans can enjoy that. But and we all should celebrate him as a legend for India in white ball. But no, please don't let him get back into this test format.
ठीक है, हो गया.
It's time for him to go.
हो गया उसका टाइम भाई.
Okay, so let's wrap up. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. That was our reaction/rant to the series. I hope you guys loved it.
Yeah. Love you, Bumrah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.